Hi, my name is Susan Yoder. I'm with American Pride Realty, and I'm here on Lake Hudson, which is in northeast Oklahoma, Mays County. You're about 45 minutes from Tulsa, Joplin, and Siloam Springs. And if you're looking for a waterfront property, wow, I think I have found one for you. Okay, so this home actually has 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 2-car attached garage, front porch with a little enclosed area for your pets. And it has a 2-slip enclosed boat dock, which is heated. And check out this outdoor living area. You've got a nice patio area, you've got a hot tub, and then you've got all these chairs out here with your chimney. This is absolutely amazing. And right around the corner, right over here, you've got your own private boat ramp. I want to show you this amazing kitchen. Come on in. Have you ever seen a kitchen this amazing? I mean, check out. There are 8 bar stools right in there. This is obviously where you spend all your time. This is a waterfront property on Lake Hudson, and this is where your main living area is. And if you're not going to be out on the water, you're going to be in the kitchen with all your family and friends. But look at the details of this kitchen. A microwave that is under the counter. Dishwasher, you have farmhouse sink with brushed gold. You have under counter lighting. You have a gas cooktop. Here is your spice rack right here. Did I mention the dishwasher? You've got pull-out drawers here. You've got more spice racks here. You've got double ovens, pull-out drawers for your containers. And here you have an amazing pantry with pull-out drawers. Obviously, this is the snack one. And then you have another trash can here. I mean, just look at this. Absolutely stunning. I love this room. Obviously, you've got this amazing kitchen and main living area, but look at this whole row of windows. Okay, we're walking into the primary bedroom, which is on the main floor. I love how airy and spacious and peaceful this is. You've got 2 whole walls of windows. One is lakeside, one is to the side. It is such a calming effect. Then you step into the closet, which is 3 stories of storage for your clothes. It is amazing. I love that. And then another nice surprise is a fabulous primary bathroom. Step in here. You've got his and her sinks. You've got a big soaker tub. And I'm in the shower. I mean, look at all these shower heads. You've got a chandelier, and all of this goes all the way up to the ceiling. It just gives it a great, great vibe. I love this. And there's a detached office for the days that you actually have to work. Otherwise, you're going to be playing.